Yo, I'm about to kill this. Yeah. I wanna see if I can get all this done in one take. Yeah. Damn, I feel this one. Rock with me now. Rock with me.
So let's talk BOSE Soundlink Micro, shall we? Little square speaker, waterproof, that's in comparison to an iPhone. I mean, nice little size. You can get these in black. I got an orange, you know, just something a little bit different, I guess. Let's get this set up. Let's have a little test of the sound. It's obviously waterproof, so we have to do a waterproof test. Okay, so pairing is easy. You've got your on button and then you've got your Bluetooth, so just on. So there's a bit of talking to you in the beginning. It says 30%, so that's obviously your battery level, ready to connect, and it tells you to download the BOSE Link app as well. So it's obviously searching, found it, BOSE Micro Link, found it, so it's BOSE Micro Soundlink. I'm gonna play something now. I'm gonna run it at 50%, then 75%, and then 100% at the same distance. So if I just hold it here, and then we run it at 50% to start off with. And then we'll go 75%.
When someone say that I made her my header. If she ever call my phone, you know I got a jetter. But I like that girl too much, I wish I never met her.
Now you begging is a doozy, but beggars cannot be choosy.
Right, so we'll play now at 100%.
The queen for 8 summers, just tell them to call me Susie. This that Nikki, this that Oopsie, this Hennessy got me woozy. Broke the internet in 5411s and some Gucci. Blue ribbon eating sushi, this that real good coochie. This that where this cheddar hoochie. Fuck all of y'all like a hoochie, giving them bars since it's...
So 50%, 75%, 100%. You've always got to bear in mind in these reviews that the sound's coming from here, through the microphone, translated, coming back out through your computer speakers. So there's a lot of audio translation that doesn't necessarily represent what you're hearing right now. I always tell people to go to the stores. The majority of the stores you can actually go and try these speakers out. I get my stuff from John Lewis. If you go to John Lewis, they have it all out on display. You can just have a play around with. So I always recommend you go and do that. But I mean, for something this size and the price, I mean, these are retailing at £100. These are not necessarily party starter speakers, but if you're having a little just chill gathering with some people around a campfire, or you're in a pool together, these will do the job. These will do very well. These will do very, very well. I mean, the only other speakers that I've reviewed before that are waterproof are the UE booms, and they did excel quite well. And I mean, with the UE booms as well, they were waterproof. They're obviously a little bit more pricey, but where they were waterproof as well, they were also 360 sound, whereas these don't have 360 sound. It's just sound that is coming from the front. You'll hear better from the front, but from the back you won't hear it as well. Whereas the UE booms were 360 sound, so whatever angle you were partying at around the speaker, you hear it the same quality. So I mean, there are better waterproof speakers out there, but obviously for the price of £100 being waterproof, the sound quality is quite good. It's very, very good. I'm not going to rave about these, but I mean, I'll rave about the aesthetics of it. I like the orange, I like the sound quality. This nice little strap so you can put it on your backpack is very, very good. And again, just being a waterproof speaker is always decent, you know. Like, I mean, a lot of people fear by putting speakers by the side of a pool, they fear it's going to get damaged. So having it backed up as waterproof is always nice. So let's just do a little waterproof test just for the fun of it. And they claim it's waterproof, we'll dunk it, play it, take it back out. You know, the standard waterproof test. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I've got a trusty bowl of water, half filled. I'm gonna get the speaker. I'm gonna play it at 100% volume, and then we're gonna dunk it. And if it breaks, not good. Let's give this a little run. So let's play this at 100%.
Gucci. Fuck all of y'all like a hoochie. Giving them bars since the day. I ain't going back to you.
I honestly thought I thought I broke it, but I generally didn't break it. I just played the play buttons in the middle, so I've pressed it by accident and it stopped playing. You had a little bit of crackling when it came out, but that's just because there's water all stuck in the little pockets, and the bass is just blowing it out. But as you can see, it's still wet.
I am Nicki, I'm a Gucci, cause I skate with the ice. I don't say, what's the price? Looking.
Sound quality hasn't been compromised, but yeah, waterproof test done. I mean, there is better waterproof speakers out there in my opinion, but I mean, for size as well, because I mean the UE booms are a bit taller like that, so, and you can't really clip them to your backpacks, but for size, price, sound quality, I think it's reasonable, but I do believe there is better out there. But both of them, they're onto something. They're onto something with the portable speakers, and especially making the smaller ones kind of suitable for more traveling purposes, I'd say. I think they're kind of going in that direction with this, which is quite decent. I wouldn't dismiss it, but I'm not going to recommend it as my #1 waterproof speaker to go for, as it is just a little bit on the pricey side for what you're getting.
Yo, I'm about to kill this.